Hi everybody, so we're going to talk about how to clean your paint palette. All right, so when you go to clean your paint palette, 2 people can be at each sink. So because Miss Salatino has 2 sinks, that means 4 people can be cleaning their paint palette at once. You will need your dirty paint palette and you're going to need a sponge. Running it under the water is going to take way too long, and we don't have that kind of time to just sit there and run it under the water. You need to turn the water on, not crazy high, because kind of like a spoon, when it hits these paint palettes, when it hits the little wells, as we call them, it's going to shoot the water back at you. So you really want the water on pretty low. That way it doesn't squirt back at you. Again, this is acrylic paint. We don't want to get it on our clothes. It's very, very difficult to get out of materials. Not impossible, but very hard. So when we turn it on, we're going to turn the water on very low. You're going to take your sponge and you're going to really work it into the paint palette and like scoop out the paint, okay? Make sure that it is nice and clean. Again, we're not just going to sit there and run it under the water. As you can see, I'm putting it directly on there. I will be here all day. You need to take your sponge, get it wet, and really just get in there and clean it on out. See, took 30 seconds with the sponge. After that, you're just going to make sure you put it back in the drying rack and you are good to go. I expect though that it is absolutely spotless, all right? If you leave it dirty, on the back, I've got your number. I will take points off, all right? This is part of your grade. It's part of your responsibility to take care of your materials, all right? All right, have a great day.